Hey everyone, this is Jason Chapman with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to do a brief walkthrough on a 2025 Nautique S23. Absolutely beautiful boat here. We have the Centennial Black Metal Flake. Doesn't really do it justice inside, but once this boat's sitting on the water and out in the sun, that metal flake really pops. We have our manual tower up here that does fold down backwards and it lays down flat. And then as we make our way to the swim platform, nice area to get on and off the boat. Nautique surf system for all your surfing and wakeboarding, and then our steer assist. As we make our way inside, nice center walkthrough. When you get on and off the boat, there's lots of sea deck on either side, so you don't have to step on your upholstery. You have your seating back here. Great spot to hang out if you're anchored. As we make our way inside, nice U-shaped seating, and then also our seat that does fold back and adjust. Tower speakers, board racks, bimini top and boot, good sun protection, and then also surf pockets on top. You can see here we have the lighting on. This boat does have the total lighting package. Tons of storage underneath all the seats. Race car inspired seat here at the helm. We have our hotkeys just starboard. That's going to be able to adjust and go through the link pan array for all your engine vitals, chart plotting. You have your ballast control, surf right, surf left. Everything's going to be accessible at the helm. And this is also rated for 16 passengers. So you can take all your friends and family out with you on the water. Ergonomically, these boats are great with visibility. Once you're sitting here and full with ballast, that Nautique configurable running surface really puts this boat back on plane. Nice bow here, tons of seating and room, especially on a 23-foot boat. This is a 2025 Nautique S23. It's located here in Rogers. Please give us a call or stop on by. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.